Are you getting a fatal error in VS Code and don't know what to do? Don't worry, here's how to fix it. First, try restarting VS Code. Sometimes a simple restart clears temporary glitches. Next, make sure your extensions are not causing the issues. Open VS Code in safe mode by running the code disable extensions from your terminal. If the error disappears, it's one of your extensions. Disable them one by one to find the culprit. Now, check your VS Code installation. If files are corrupted, you may need to reinstall VS Code. Uninstall it completely, then download the latest version from the official website and install it fresh. Also, ensure your system environment variables are correct, especially path if you're running code that depends on Node.js or Python. If the fatal error happens while opening a specific project, try deleting the .vscode folder inside your project directory. This resets workspace settings without affecting your code. Finally, keep your VS Code extensions and system up to date. Updates often fix critical bugs causing fatal error. After following these steps, your VS Code should run smoothly again without fatal errors. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.